Today's date is June 16th, 2025, and I'm gonna get set up over on the lathe to make this part right here, and then I'll be able to put it into the band saw right here. So I'm gonna go work on that, and I'm gonna just set it up on time delay. Okay, well, I'm working on this. I'm putting the outer cover on right now. And then I've got this figured out. The platen that that you saw in the high speed there, that slides on here, and then this knob and bolt hold the platen together there. Then this is an adjusting, I guess, to keep the platen flat, but it seems to tilt this way. But I don't know, that's probably, it's not a highly accurate type of a machine. So what I'm doing now is taking all of this out here. This is raises and lowers the pressure on the blade, so when you're running the part through, it pushes up against these guys right here and these dowels that I put in right here. So those were all, this is what those look like. They were cut in half, and that's from putting pressure, you know, pushing on the blade. So that's what they're there for. So originally I couldn't get the platen off of there, but what I found out is you make all your blade adjustments right here, and then you put the platen on there, and then once the blade is all adjusted and tracking properly, then it will slide on there, and then you can go to work. So I'm gonna go back on time delay.